We are back with another model tour for you today. Today we are touring a single-story model home built by Pulte Homes up in Skye Canyon, and it's coming up for you right after this intro. Hey residents, what's going on? MJ here. I'm a realtor out here in Las Vegas, Nevada with the Berkshire Hathaway brand. And here on this channel, we tour all around the Las Vegas Valley, looking at builder model homes and existing inventory to make your next shopping experience for your next home all the more easy. If this is the first time we've met on this channel, I really appreciate you stopping by and checking it out. I really hope you enjoyed today's tour. And if you do, make sure you subscribe and smash that bell notification so you don't miss a single video when I upload on Fridays. And on today's tour, we're headed back up to Skye Canyon to continue our series with Pulte Homes in the Pinewood neighborhood. Today, we are touring through the Stella. It is a single-story home. It is absolutely stellar. They did a great job inside. I love the floor plan. But without further ado, let's get out there and get this tour started. Come on.
And here is the Stella, guys. Welcome out to Skye Canyon up here in the Northwest Valley of Las Vegas, Nevada. This home does feature 2,191 square feet, 3 to 4 bedrooms, 2 to 3.5 bathrooms, a 2-car garage with an optional third bay and a single car. This home will start at $431,880. The front landscaping will be completed for you, as well as a drip irrigation system will be installed. That drip irrigation system will be ran to the backyard for your convenience when you decide to complete the backyard, as it will not be complete from the builder when you move in. You could choose to upgrade and have them complete the backyard for you at an additional cost. Keep in mind, through this model home, there are a lot of features that are included, but there are also a lot of features that are not included that the builder did add into this home. For example, this one bay garage on the left is an addition. You also do have the option of a 4-inch extension on the front of the garage there. Let's go ahead, head straight on inside. And welcome inside the Stella, guys. You're immediately greeted into this ultra warm welcoming of this entryway with those double tray ceilings, and the way the wall is right there with the corners really makes it a nice entryway, doesn't it? This particular model was built out with that extra car garage on the front, as mentioned before, as well as the den and the half bathroom as well. This first bedroom here is 12'10" by 11'11". It does have its own walk-in closets. The flooring in this home will be 18 by 18 inch ceramic doll tile in the entry, the kitchen, the laundry room, and the bathrooms. You will get shaw carpeting throughout the remainder of the home with 3¼ inch baseboards. You'll have baseboard options at the design studio to choose from. Here's the first bathroom here. It is a full bathroom with the standard size vanity. Nice drop-in sink. You'll get the cultured marble countertop on there as well. Here's the next bedroom. This bedroom is 11'11" by 12'6". Love how they decorated this room. It did seem a little bit dark, but it made a really nice elegant feel to the room. This bedroom does feature its own walk-in closet as well. The HOA up here in Skye Canyon is $250 a quarter, and then about another $50 a month for the local HOA. Pinewood will be gated and will have a small playground and a grass area as well. The location of this neighborhood is super convenient. You are very close to I-95, as well as Smith Shopping Center. There's a Chase Bank, and there's some other little stores there as well. Coming around the corner here, we're going to look into the laundry room right here. You do have an optional upper cabinetry and a sink to be installed in here if you chose to. There will be a gas hookup for your dryer. In the front right here, there is a closet. This is an upgrade. You also have an option of having a drop zone bench here as well. There's your entry to the garage. There's your entry to the garage. And as we turn around, you're going to be looking into the den or the office. And just to the right here is going to be the half bathroom. The half bathroom is an upgrade. If you did not have the powder room installed here, it would actually be a linen closet on the opposite side of this wall. And the den right here, or the office, however you want to put it, is considered a flex room. Without the half bathroom there, it is 17'4" by 10'11". You have an option of French doors or a double door if you wanted to put that on there. You could also install a wet bar that seems to go through to the kitchen area. As we come into the great room, you're noticing you have a lot of room in here to spread out. There's some really nice upgrades in here. Starting straight away, you're going to get a slider from the dining room. You do have an option to upgrade to center sliders on the great room there, as well as a multi-panel stacking slider as well. There is an option of a fireplace, and you can also add an extension of 2 feet on the end of the house here. The dining room there is 12'10" by 8'11", and the living room is 16'8" by 17'5". There's a slider that's included. Real nice covered patio that's going to be included. Here in the kitchen, you're going to have a choice of 2 different types of granite. This granite in here is upgraded. Real nice movement. I love the granite in here. It's absolutely gorgeous. You're going to be getting the 36-inch uppers and a Fairfield cabinetry. You have a choice of 2 colors. You have many more at the design studio, as well as different options of cabinetry types as well. If you wanted to do custom cabinetry, you're more than welcome to. You do have an option of an accent ceiling. You could do an executive island, which would add additional space on the countertop, as well as shelving on each end of the island. You have an option of waterfall edge, which is fantastic, especially with a granite like this. That would be awesome. You could do a built-in refrigerator if you chose to. You could also do a window in lieu of the hood fan over the cooktop. And then you could also do what they call a culinary kitchen, which would add a second oven, which is in this kitchen. Great room. That's where the fireplace would be, right below the TV there. Head back here. This is going to be the owner's suite. Right to the right here is going to be the bathroom. You do have an option to have a door put on to the bathroom here. They have the framed walk-in shower here. You do have an option to have a framed glass shower if you'd like, as well as a separate shower tub combo. However, it will be included with a standard walk-in shower. I really love the separate vanities that they have in here. Tile they have on the wall there is really nice too. Nice natural stone. Very pretty. Notice how the water closet is pushed back into the walk-in here. That is because they have the upgraded shower. If you did the standard shower, it would not be pushed into the walk-in closet and would give you more space in here. Just a couple other quick little features. You're going to be getting a tankless water heater as well as the TX system, which is a pest control that they install into the wall. Makes it super easy for your pest control guy to come and spray. The master bedroom is 14'4" by 14'11", so you do get a very nice sized master bedroom here. Pulte has also been building homes for a very long time. They have a nice warranty. It's going to be a 10-5-2-1 warranty. The 10-year will be a structural coverage, 5-year will be against infiltration and leaks. The 2-year will be for plumbing, HVAC, and electrical, and then the 1-year warranty will be for the workmanship and the materials of the home itself. Well, that's going to about wrap it up for today's tour.
All right, residents. So what did you think of the Stella by Pulte Homes? Did you enjoy the model? What about the floor plan? Let us know in the comments below. Let's get a discussion started on this. If you did really enjoy this model and you want to take a private tour of it with your family, make sure you give me a call, text me, or email me. I'm happy to meet you out there and tour it with you if you'd like representation. And if there's something else around the Las Vegas Valley that you want to see me tour, make sure you give me a call, text me, or email me. I'm happy to get out there and tour it along your side and feature you in my next video. If you did enjoy today's content, make sure you like the video. It does help this video out a lot to reach a wider audience and help out more people. If you do like this type of content altogether, make sure you subscribe to the channel and smash that bell notification so you don't miss a single video when I upload on Fridays. But as always, I really appreciate you guys stopping by and touring with me today. We'll see you guys in the next one. Later.
Just get me out of here.